I'm absolutely thrilled you have joined me today because we are diving into a topic that's critically important for all of us. Common health mistakes that we might be making without even realizing it. It's so easy to fall into unhealthy patterns that sometimes we are not even aware of how these seemingly small habits can impact our overall well being. We all navigate busy lives, and it's completely understandable that sometimes health takes a backseat. The goal here is to shine a light on areas where we can make simple yet impactful changes. Think of it as a friendly chat where we explore practical science backed approaches to enhance our health and happiness. This isn't about drastic overhauls, it's about making informed choices and establishing sustainable routines. Chronic diseases such as stroke and type 2 diabetes are often linked to lifestyle choices. By addressing common mistakes in our daily routines, we are taking proactive steps towards mitigating these risks. So get comfortable, grab a pen and paper if you like, and let's get started. Mistake number 1, not eating enough protein. Okay, let's dive right into one of the most overlooked aspects of nutrition: not eating enough protein. This is a mistake that many people make, often unknowingly, because of the overwhelming emphasis on carbs and fats in our diets. While carbohydrates provide energy and fats are crucial for hormone production, protein is the fundamental building block of our bodies, essential for everything from muscle repair to immune function. It's a common misconception that protein is only for bodybuilders, but everyone, regardless of their activity level, needs an adequate intake of protein for optimal health. Why is it so crucial though? Well, protein has a unique ability to keep you feeling full, which plays a pivotal role in wealth management. This is because protein helps regulate hunger hormones, reducing cravings and preventing overeating. For example, one study revealed that increasing protein intake can actually boost your metabolism by approximately 80 to 100 calories per day. That's like a small extra calorie burn simply by eating more protein. Furthermore, a separate study has indicated that people who consume 30% of their daily calories from protein tend to eat fewer calories overall naturally. This shows the powerful impact of protein on appetite regulation. Protein also plays a vital role in maintaining muscle mass while you are losing fat. This is critical for a healthy metabolism because muscle burns more calories than fat. Protein also helps regulate hunger hormones, keeping those annoying cravings at bay. So how can you avoid this common mistake? Make some simple smart swaps. Swap cereal for eggs at breakfast. Add lentils to your meals. Snack on Greek yogurt instead of chips. Include lean meats such as chicken or turkey in your main meals. Add beans, nuts, and seeds to salads or side dishes. Remember, it's not about making dramatic changes overnight, but rather about making protein a priority in every meal. These small adjustments will make a difference in how you feel and how you manage your weight. Mistake 2, not drinking enough water. Next up, let's talk about something that seems incredibly simple, yet so many of us struggle with it: not drinking enough water. We often underestimate the power of hydration, yet it's truly fundamental to good health. Water is involved in almost every bodily function, from regulating body temperature to transporting nutrients and removing waste products. Many people walk around dehydrated without even realizing it, mistaking thirst for hunger. The consequences of chronic dehydration can range from fatigue and headaches to impaired cognitive function and digestive issues. So let's make a conscious effort to stay adequately hydrated. It's important to know the impact proper hydration can have on weight management and overall health. Did you know that according to a study published in the Journal of Obesity, drinking 500 ml of water before meals can increase weight loss by 44% over a period of just 3 months? That's a significant impact just from incorporating water before meals. Why is water so impactful? Firstly, it boosts metabolism, especially cold water, since your body has to expand calories to warm it up. This process, known as thermogenesis, can contribute to increased calorie burn. Additionally, water plays a significant role in controlling hunger, as we often mistake thirst for hunger. By staying hydrated, we can reduce unnecessary snacking and prevent overeating. Lastly, water is crucial for flushing out toxins and ensuring smooth digestion. Proper hydration helps our kidneys and liver work efficiently, promoting overall detoxification and gut health. So how to avoid not drinking enough water? Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. Try drinking a glass of water before each meal. Carry a water bottle with you as a reminder. Add lemon or cucumber to make your water more appealing. Use water tracking apps to monitor your intake. It's amazing how making hydration a priority can improve your energy levels, reduce cravings, and even make your skin look better. Let's make a habit of staying hydrated every day. Mistake 3. Drinking your calories. This one is a sneaky culprit that can sabotage even the best health efforts. Drinking your calories. It's so easy to consume loads of liquid calories without realizing it because liquid calories don't make you feel as full as solid food does. Think of those sodas, fancy coffees, sugary juices, and even those delicious looking smoothies that are packed with sugar. They add up quickly and are often devoid of the nutrients that our body actually needs. These drinks are often high in refined sugars, which can lead to rapid spikes in blood sugar followed by energy crashes. In addition, these sugary drinks lack essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber, making them a source of empty calories. Over time, excessive consumption of sugary drinks can contribute to weight gain, insulin resistance, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. According to research, people who drink one sugary drink per day are 26% more likely to gain weight than those who don't. That's a significant increase, highlighting how these hidden calories can quickly derail your health goals. A study in the journal called Circulation also showed that sugary drinks are linked to a higher risk of heart disease and stroke, further emphasizing the detrimental impact of these beverages. Furthermore, the lack of fiber in liquid calories means that they are not as satiating as solid foods. This is why it is so easy to consume a large amount of liquid calories without feeling full, leading to overconsumption and weight gain. So how do we avoid drinking our calories? Swap sugary drinks for water. Simple. Go for unsweetened tea or black coffee. Add natural flavor to your water by using lemon or cucumber. When buying juices, go for 100% juice and then dilute it with water. Be cautious of healthy drinks that are full of sugar, even the natural kind. Cutting out these sugary drinks and replacing them with healthier options can make a big difference in your energy levels and waistline. Even small changes such as switching from sugary sodas to water can significantly improve overall health. Mistake 4. Not getting enough fiber. Let's move on to another crucial component of a healthy diet that is frequently overlooked: not getting enough fiber. Fiber is like the unsung hero of our digestive system. It keeps things moving, helps you feel full, and regulates blood sugar. Dietary fiber, found primarily in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, is essential for maintaining a healthy gut and overall well-being. There are two types of fiber: soluble fiber and insoluble fiber, and both are critical for optimal digestion. Soluble fiber helps lower cholesterol and stabilize blood sugar levels, while insoluble fiber adds bulk to stool and promotes regularity. Not getting enough fiber can lead to digestive problems, increased risk of chronic diseases, and poor weight management. It's not only about digestive health though. Fiber can actually improve weight management and reduce the risk of several diseases. For instance, a 2015 study in the Annals of Internal Medicine found that simply aiming for 30 grams of fiber per day can help with weight loss even if you don't change anything else. That's pretty powerful. Fiber helps in digestion, prevents constipation, and helps keep you feeling full for longer, which can prevent mindless snacking. In addition, fiber plays a role in regulating blood sugar levels, which is crucial for preventing type 2 diabetes and managing energy levels. It does this by slowing the absorption of sugars into the bloodstream, preventing rapid spikes and crashes. So how to get more fiber? Add oats to your breakfast. Sprinkle chia seeds on your yogurt or smoothie. Include more legumes in your meals. Load up on leafy greens. Add fruits and vegetables with the skin on where appropriate, such as apples. Opt for whole grain products like brown rice, whole wheat pasta, and bread. By increasing your fiber intake, you will improve your digestive health, feel fuller longer, and reduce cravings. It's a win-win. A diet rich in fiber not only contributes to better physical health but also improves mental well-being, as the gut-brain axis is increasingly recognized for its influence on mood and cognitive function. Mistake 5. Skimping on sleep. Alright, let's shift gears and talk about something that often gets neglected in our fast-paced lives: not getting enough sleep. In our modern world, it's easy to prioritize everything else over sleep, but skimping on sleep can have serious consequences for your health and weight. It's not simply about feeling tired, it is a critical factor in our physical and mental well-being. When we sleep, our body and mind go through crucial restorative processes. Chronic sleep deprivation can impact everything from hormone regulation to cognitive function and even mood stability. In particular, insufficient sleep can disrupt the hormones that control hunger and satiety, leading to increased cravings and poor food choices. Research consistently shows that people who sleep less than 7 hours a night have higher levels of hunger hormones and tend to eat more calories the next day. In fact, studies have linked sleep deprivation to increased levels of ghrelin, the hunger hormone, and decreased levels of leptin, the satiety hormone. This hormonal imbalance can make you crave sugary, high carb foods for quick energy and also slows down your metabolism. When your body is tired, it operates less efficiently, meaning it burns fewer calories and is less likely to effectively process sugar and fat. This creates a perfect storm for weight gain, making it even harder to reach your health goals. Moreover, lack of sleep can impact cognitive performance, leading to difficulty concentrating, remembering information, and making decisions. Constant sleep deprivation can also weaken the immune system, making you more susceptible to illnesses. So, how to avoid this mistake? Stick to a regular sleep schedule. Avoid screens before bed. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Make your bedroom a sleep-friendly environment, dark, quiet, and cool. Avoid caffeine and alcohol before bed. Prioritizing 7 to 8 hours of sleep is not a luxury, it's an absolute necessity. The benefits of adequate sleep extend far beyond just feeling rested. They encompass every aspect of your health. Mistake 6. Not moving enough. Now let's address the problem of not moving enough. I'm not necessarily talking about intense workouts here, but rather incorporating more movements into your daily life. We have become so sedentary that this has become a serious health concern. In today's world, many of us spend hours sitting at desks, in cars, or on couches with minimal physical activity. This sedentary lifestyle has far-reaching negative impacts on our health, including weight gain, poor cardiovascular health, increased risk of chronic diseases, and even mental health issues. While it is true that structured exercise is important, even incorporating small amounts of movement throughout the day can be transformative. Regular physical activity doesn't have to involve intense workouts at the gym. It could be something as simple as going for a walk, taking the stairs, or engaging in some light stretching. The key is to find ways to incorporate movement in your daily routine. Research shows that even light activity like walking boosts metabolism and burns extra calories. It's important to remember that small changes accumulated over time can make significant difference. By becoming more aware of the way we move and making slight modifications in our day, we can create a very active and healthier lifestyle. So how do we avoid this mistake? Take the stairs instead of the elevator. Go for short walks during breaks. Find an activity you enjoy, like dancing, yoga, swimming. Get up and move around every 30 minutes if you are working a desk job. Schedule movement into your day like you would any other important appointment. Making movement a regular part of your day is crucial for your physical and mental health. It keeps your body active, helps with weight management, and can boost your mood too. The benefits of incorporating movement into your daily life are significant and far-reaching, influencing both our physical and mental well-being. Mistake 7. Not controlling portions. Next up, let's talk about something that often gets overlooked: not controlling portions. We live in a society of supersizing, and it's so easy to overeat without even realizing it. Portion control is a fundamental part of maintaining a healthy diet and weight. In many cultures, we are conditioned to eat large amounts of food and are presented with oversized portions in restaurants and at home. This cultural norm often contributes to overeating and the consumption of excessive calories. Over time, these excessive calories can result in weight gain and other health problems. It's not just about the food choices themselves, but also about the quantity we consume. Understanding what a proper portion looks like and practicing mindful eating are essential skills for maintaining a healthy weight and overall well-being. Studies show that people often underestimate portion sizes by up to 50%. We often think we are eating one serving when we are actually eating 2 or 3. That's a lot of extra calories that can easily lead to weight gain. In addition, larger portions can also affect digestion by overwhelming the digestive system with more food than it can efficiently process. Mindful portion control, therefore, is not just about weight management, but about overall digestive health. One study in the Journal of Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics showed that individuals who use smaller plates and bowls eat significantly fewer calories than those who use larger ones. So how to avoid this mistake? Use smaller plates. Serve yourself one portion at a time. Eat slowly so your brain has time to register when you are full. Use measuring cups and spoons when portioning your meals. When eating out, ask for half of your meal to be packed up in a to-go container before you begin eating. Being mindful of your portions is crucial for weight management. It's not about depriving yourself, but about eating the right amount for your body. This practice is a foundation for healthy eating and supports both short-term and long-term health. Mistake 8. Eating too many processed foods. Now let's address another major culprit in the realm of unhealthy habits: eating too many processed foods. These foods are designed to be addictive and they are loaded with sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats. They are convenient, yes, but they are not great for our bodies. Processed foods are often engineered to be hyper-palatable, making them irresistible to eat in excess. This is a major contributor to overeating and weight gain. They're often stripped of essential nutrients such as fiber, vitamins, and minerals, and have high levels of added sugar, sodium, and unhealthy fats. These ingredients can cause a range of health issues, including weight gain, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and other chronic ailments. A study found that people who eat more processed foods consume about 500 more calories per day than those who eat whole foods. That's a massive difference, and those extra calories can quickly lead to weight loss and other health issues. Another study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that a diet high in processed foods is associated with increased inflammation, which is linked to a host of chronic diseases. Furthermore, these foods are typically low in fiber, leading to digestive issues and contributing to blood sugar spikes and crashes, which can negatively impact energy levels. Shifting from processed foods and towards whole nutrient-dense foods is a critical step for improving your overall health and well-being. So how to avoid this mistake? Swap processed snacks for whole foods such as fruits and nuts. Try to make homemade meals more often. When grocery shopping, stick to the perimeter of the store where the whole foods are located. Read the labels on the products you purchase and be aware of added sugars and unhealthy fats. Prepare most of your meals and snacks at home so you can control the ingredients. Cutting back on processed foods and focusing on whole nutrient-rich options is one of the best things you can do for your overall health. By making this simple change, you can significantly reduce your risk of chronic diseases and improve your overall quality of life. Mistake 9. Eating mindlessly. Let's talk about mindful eating versus mindless eating, which is when you eat without really paying attention to your food. Have you ever eaten a whole bag of chips in front of the TV and then wondered where it all went? That's mindless eating in action. Mindless eating is often a result of being distracted by other activities while eating. When we are watching TV, scrolling through social media, or engaged in other activities, we are less aware of our body's hunger and satiety cues. This means that we tend to eat more than what we need, often without fully enjoying or registering the experience. This lack of awareness can lead to overeating, poor food choices, and weight gain. Mindless eating often leads to overeating and consuming extra calories because you are not paying attention to your hunger cues. It is also often associated with emotional eating, where food is used to cope with stress, boredom, or other feelings. By paying more attention to the act of eating, we can become more attuned to our body's signals and make healthier choices. Studies have shown that mindful eating can reduce calorie intake and prevent binge eating. Mindful eating is about more than just what we eat. It is about how we eat. It is about savoring each bite and being grateful for the nourishment and listening to our body's signals. Practicing mindful eating can improve both physical and mental health by promoting a healthier relationship with food and leading to more enjoyable meals. So, how to avoid mindless eating? Eat without distractions like the TV or your phone. Pay attention to the taste and texture of your food. Eat slowly and savor each bite. Ask yourself if you are truly hungry before you reach for something to eat. When you have an urge to eat out of boredom, do something else that you enjoy instead. By practicing mindful eating, you will become more aware of what and how you eat, and this simple habit can significantly improve your health and weight management. It allows you to become more attuned to your body's signals and make conscious and healthier choices. Mistake 10. Ignoring stress. Now let's address a very common issue that affects us all: ignoring stress. We live in stressful times, and if we don't manage our stress, it can negatively affect our health and weight. Stress is a natural response to challenging situations, but chronic stress can wreak havoc on our bodies and minds. When we are under stress, our bodies release cortisol, a hormone that is designed to help cope with acute threats. However, when stress becomes chronic, this persistent release of cortisol can lead to a host of negative health consequences. Cortisol can also trigger cravings for junk food because it causes increased cortisol levels. This is because stress triggers the release of cortisol, which can increase appetite, especially for food that are high in sugar, fat, and salt. These comfort foods provide temporary relief from stress, leading to a vicious cycle of stress and unhealthy eating habits. In fact, one study found that stress can increase calorie intake by more than 20%. It's like our bodies are trying to self-soothe with comfort food, which often leads to unhealthy choices. Prolonged stress has been linked to weight gain, digestive problems, sleep disturbances, and an increased risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Effectively managing stress is therefore essential for our overall health and well-being. How to avoid ignoring stress? Practice stress management techniques like meditation or deep breathing. Take a walk in nature. Engage in hobbies and activities that you enjoy. Prioritize regular exercise and physical activity. Get enough sleep. Talk to a therapist or counselor if you find that your stress levels are unmanageable. Taking care of your mental health is just as important as taking care of your physical health. Manage your stress and you'll find that many other health challenges become easier to handle. Addressing stress head on can positively influence not only your mood but also your ability to make better food choices and engage in more physical activity. Mistake 11: consuming too much sugar. Next one is a big one that I can truly relate to: consuming too much sugar. Sugar is hidden in so many foods, even ones that seem healthy. The average person consumes around 17 teaspoons of sugar per day, which is way more than the recommended limit of 6 teaspoons for women and 9 teaspoons for men. Many of us unknowingly consume a lot of added sugar from processed foods, sugary drinks, and condiments. This is a major contributor to many chronic health problems. Excessive sugar consumption can lead to insulin resistance, which is a precursor to type 2 diabetes, and it has been linked to weight gain, heart disease, and various other health issues. Sugar is also a significant source of empty calories, meaning it provides energy without essential nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Too much sugar can lead to a number of health problems, including weight gain, diabetes, heart disease, and other chronic illnesses. We have already discussed the importance of cutting back on sugary drinks, but sugar can also be found in many processed foods, sauces, condiments, and more. It's not just about added sugars. Natural sugars can also contribute to these problems when consumed in large amounts. For example, even consuming large quantities of fruit juice can have negative impact on blood sugar and should therefore be consumed in moderation. Being aware of hidden sugars in our diets is crucial for making healthier choices and taking control of our health. So, how to avoid consuming too much sugar? Check food labels and reduce added sugar. Opt for natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup in moderation. Avoid processed foods with hidden sugars. Get used to eating less sweet things. Make your own sweet treats and baked goods using less sugar. By being more aware of your sugar intake and making simple swaps, you'll significantly improve your health and well-being. Reducing your sugar consumption not only aids in weight management, but it also contributes to more stable energy levels and lowers your risk of chronic diseases. Mistake 12: not planning meals. Let's talk about the habit of not planning meals. We have all been there. It's 6 p.m., you are starving, and you reach out for the nearest unhealthy option because you haven't planned what to eat. Not having a meal plan is a common pitfall that can lead to unhealthy choices and make it difficult to stick to your health goals. Meal planning is a proactive approach to food rather than reactive one. When you don't plan meals, you are more likely to rely on convenience foods, takeout, or last-minute unhealthy options. This usually results in poor nutritional choices, excessive calories, and increased risk of weight gain. Meal planning can help you create a balanced diet, ensures you are getting all the nutrients your body needs, and makes weight management easier. It reduces the likelihood of making impulsive, unhealthy food choices. Studies have shown that people who plan meals eat healthier and consume fewer calories. When you have a meal plan, you are less likely to make last-minute unhealthy choices. It takes away the guesswork and sets you up for success. Meal planning is a very useful tool for those who are trying to manage weight, maintain a healthy diet, or simply simplify their lives. A study published in Nutrition Reviews found that meal planning was associated with improved diet quality, increased vegetable consumption, and better adherence to dietary guidelines. Meal planning also helps you reduce food waste, save money, and reduce stress by eliminating the guesswork around what to cook for each meal. So, how to avoid this trap? Take some time each week to plan your meals. Create a shopping list based on your plan. Prepare some components of your meals ahead of time. Keep it simple. You don't need to cook complex meals all the time. Look for recipes and meal plans that suit your preferences and needs. Meal planning doesn't have to be complicated. It's just about being a bit more proactive about your food choices. And it's a game changer for your overall health and weight management. It's a simple yet powerful step you can take to make a positive impact on your health and lifestyle. Mistake 13, not incorporating strength training. Now let's discuss the importance of incorporating strength training. While cardio has its benefits, strength training is often overlooked, and that's a mistake. Strength training is a critical component of a well-rounded fitness routine and contributes to overall health and well-being. It is much more than just building muscles. It has far-reaching benefits that positively impact almost all areas of our health. It's not just about building muscles, it's about overall health and weight management. Strength training helps in building and maintaining muscle mass. This is vital for boosting metabolism because muscle tissue burns more calories than fat, even when at rest. This helps in weight management by increasing the number of calories you burn throughout the day. In addition to weight management, strength training helps to improve bone density, which is essential for preventing osteoporosis, especially as we age. Strength training also has a significant impact on improving posture, balance, and mobility. Research shows that strength training burns more fat than cardio alone, and it also helps boost your metabolism even at rest. Plus, strength training can improve bone health, posture, and balance. Another benefit is the impact that it has on insulin sensitivity, which can reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Including strength training in your exercise routine not only improves your physical health but can also boost your mood, increase energy levels, and enhance your overall quality of life. So, how do you avoid this mistake? Start with bodyweight exercises if you are new to strength training. Lift weights at a gym or at home. Find a fitness program that includes strength training. Focus on proper form to avoid injury. Work with a fitness professional if you are unsure where to start. Don't shy away from strength training. It's an incredibly valuable component of a well-rounded fitness routine. It's a critical piece of the puzzle for achieving optimal health and fitness, and it supports a healthy body and a healthy mind. Mistake 14, not eating home-cooked meals. Address the problem of not eating enough home-cooked meals. We live in a world of convenience, but often this convenience comes at the expenses of our health. We are often faced with the choice of fast food and convenience meals that often lack the nutrition our bodies need. Eating home-cooked meals provides numerous benefits, not only for physical health, but also for mental health and overall well-being. Cooking at home allows you to control ingredients and portion sizes, which can lead to a healthier meals overall. This is one of the most significant advantages, as you can choose fresh whole foods and avoid the unhealthy fats, added sugars, and excess salt that are common in processed and restaurant meals. When you cook at home, you know exactly what's going into your food, which is a big advantage. This knowledge can help you make better food choices, create meals that meet your dietary needs, and manage conditions like allergies and intolerances more effectively. Home-cooked meals are also usually more cost-effective than eating out or buying ready-made meals. You can save money and improve your health at the same time. The act of cooking itself can be a relaxing and enjoyable activity. It can bring families together and foster a sense of community. It provides an opportunity to be creative in the kitchen and experiment with different flavors and recipes. So, how to avoid this mistake? Commit to cooking more meals at home. Start with simple recipes. Try meal prepping for busy days. Make it a fun activity that involves the entire family. When you eat at home, be sure that you are sitting at a table instead of in front of the television. The benefits of home-cooked meals are huge, ranging from healthier options to saving money, so make it a priority. Making home-cooked meals a regular habit can have a transformative effect on your overall health and lifestyle. Mistake 15, expecting quick fixes and lacking patience. Finally, let's talk about expecting quick fixes and not being patient. Weight management and health improvements are not a sprint, they are a marathon. We often fall into the trap of looking for a magic pill or a quick diet, and it's just not sustainable. The journey to better health is often a long and gradual one, and it's important to be realistic about expectations. Many people become frustrated when they don't see results right away, and they often give up. This is why focusing on a sustainable approach to healthy living is more effective than following fad diets or relying on unrealistic quick fixes. This means making gradual changes rather than drastic ones and incorporating healthy habits into our daily routines. It is also important to be patient with ourselves and to understand that setbacks are a normal part of the process. Small, consistent habits will get you better results than extreme diets, and it's important to trust the process. Sustainable change is often achieved through consistent effort over time. It's about building healthy habits and making better food choices most of the time rather than aiming for perfection. Be patient with yourself and understand that setbacks are a part of the journey. It is important to celebrate small victories along the way and be kind to yourself. This approach makes the journey towards better health less daunting, and it ensures that you can stick to your health goals in the long term. So, how do you avoid this mistake? Focus on making sustainable changes. Set realistic goals. Celebrate your progress and don't beat yourself up over slip ups. Be kind to yourself and don't compare your journey to anyone else's. Understand that progress may be gradual, but it is possible. The key to long term health is patience and consistency. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. Embracing this mindset can lead to a more sustainable approach to health and a greater chance of success. Alright, that's it for today. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about progress. Every small step counts towards a healthier you. It is important to remember that making small changes to your daily routines can have a profound impact on your overall well being. This is about improving health, but it's also about creating a more fulfilling and satisfying lifestyle. It's not about striving for perfection, but rather about making conscious choices and establishing routines that promote a healthier mind and a healthier body. It's about developing habits that support a healthy lifestyle for a lifetime. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep glowing.